Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a new project in Jira software. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Jira software and then just click here on projects. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see on right top corner create a project. So let's click on it. Now we have options to choose between a classic one or next gen. It's like really up to which one you actually want. It's like up to, I can select classic, enter the project name, YouTube channel 2. Nice. And create. I can also change the template to scam or bug tracking. It's like really up to which one you choose. Or you can choose like business for project management and create. And yep, this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And then you just add here the issues and everything. You got the filters here, the dashboards. And you can simply invite people here. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.